Hey guys, this video is a discount offer for my new product. So here it is. It's called the Universal Luggage Rack for the Can-Am Ryker. It mounts to the passenger seat and it works with the passenger fold-in backrest. Once you have this item, you can mount most luggage and helmet cases that you find online. This helmet case, for example, I found on eBay for around $40. This one's from Amazon and it cost me a little less than 70 bucks. So follow the link in the description below and reserve your Universal Luggage Rack today. There's absolutely no money due now, and there are 2 discount offers for you to choose from. So follow the link and reserve your Universal Luggage Rack today. Thanks, guys.